How to tell when a guy is no longer interested in you. It is only normal to question why a guy who was formerly highly attentive and affectionate now backs off and puts distance between the two of you. There are many theories on how to recognize when a guy is losing interest in you, but we've found the most effective one. First and foremost, keep an eye out for significant changes in how you two communicate. Once you've noticed some communication changes, evaluate his behavior and start addressing the problem by speaking with him, getting help from others, and putting yourself first. 1. Watch for a decrease in communication. One of the first indications that a guy is losing interest can be this. Typically, you can count on a guy to get in touch with you if they want to chat. You should pay attention when a guy who frequently calls and texts you stops doing so. 2. Beware of brief discussions. The reduction in communication goes hand in hand with this. You should be aware of this if you start to realize that, when you do talk, it only lasts for very little periods of time. 3. Pay attention to any shifts in his tone of speech toward you. This is a clear indication that he is no longer interested. When speaking to someone they're interested in, many men will use a softer, flirtier voice than they would with other people. His voice tone changes as his emotions do, becoming less loving and more like his usual tone. 4. Take in what he has to say. Does he ask you about important topics in your life when you two are talking, or does he keep his attention on himself? A guy that is interested in you will make an effort to engage in deeper dialogue and get to know the real you. When he speaks, pay attention to any attempts he makes to keep the conversation brief or superficial. We wish you all the best and good luck. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.